What's up, everybody? JG Card Breaks here. Today we've got a box of 2001 Pros and Prospects Baseball Upper Deck Hobby Box. We've got a total of 5 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. There's 45 limited edition rookie cards, 3 unique memorabilia inserts, each inserted 1 in 24 packs on average. Equipment card. I don't think it does. Yep. There's their odds there. But yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. Obviously, we're gonna be hoping for Ichiro, Pujols, even Sabathia rookie card in here. Hopefully, we get some good stuff. We're gonna add another pack to the giveaway right here. Be one of these packs added. Be well up over 20 packs that you guys get in for the once we hit 100 subscribers. And one of you guys will be getting all those packs just for subscribing to the channel. So yeah, be sure to make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It definitely helps out. Trying to open the box properly, but we'll see if it's going to allow us. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we've got 24 packs. We're just going to take this pack. We're going to add this to the giveaway. So yeah. This right here, we're going to add to that giveaway. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Get yourself some free packs of cards. And let's get going into this opening. Hope everybody's being safe, having a good 2021. Definitely got to be better than 2020, right? All right, we got a Neil Perez, Darren Estrada, Matt Lawton, Ben Sheets, and Ichiro World Tour. And this would have been his rookie year. So yeah, we got a nice little insert there. Set that off to the side. Got a Greg Vaughn, Sean Casey, Vlad Guerrero, Bernie Williams, and then another Ichiro. Wonder how many of these there were. That's 11. The other one was 13, so there's at least 13 of them. I don't think those are supposed to be in one in every pack. No? I don't know. Okay. It's alright. We'll take it. We've got a Rafael Furcal. A-Rod. What year was his rookie? It was what, 97? 98? Carl Everett. Charles Johnson. Richard Hidalgo. This one, we'll see if my pack feeling is any good. This does seem like it is a little bit thicker. And I can't tell. No, still only 5 cards. So, alright, we got Kurt Schilling, Magdaleno Ordonez, Juan Gonzalez. Oh, yeah, look at that. Was a little bit thicker. we've got a Sammy Sosa and Luis Gonzalez. Game used bat, Shannon Stewart. So yeah, we've got this right here. Nice little card. Don't believe they're numbered. Nope. But yeah, game used bats, Sammy Sosa and Luis Gonzalez. We'll put that up on a stand. Let's see. I don't know if this will fit. Oh yeah, no problem there. So yeah, nice little hit right there. Says 1 in every 24 packs. I mean, that didn't take many packs to find that. Let's hope we get some rookies though. That's what I'm really looking for. Looking for those Albert Pujols. Well, really any rookie, just to see. All right, let's see what we got here. We got Ken Griffey Jr. Always love pulling those. Randy Johnson, Christian Guzman, John Alredo, and Preston Wilson. Let's go again. Mondesi, Raul, Cliff Floyd, Greg Maddux. It's always fun to see these older names that you just don't see anymore. Al Leiter. And Chipper Jones. It's just definitely different. You think of all the names today and you get those stuck in your head. It's like, man, you forget about all these guys. I mean, you don't, but they're not right on the top of your mind anymore like they used to be. Let's see here. Roger Clemens, Roberto Alomar, Jason Kendall, Brad Radke, and we get a Shannon Stewart. All right. Looks like we got something a little different on the back there. Good old Cal Ripken Jr. Nice card. Armas Ramirez, Pudge. Oh, that card's got a little bit of damage on the top. Yep. Got a Tony Gwynn. Then we've got franchise building blocks. So Jim Thome and then CC Sabathia. Nice little card. Yeah, this would have been, woo, hit the camera there. This would have been CC's rookie year. Some nice little insert there. I think the building blocks are inserted 1 in every 6 packs. That was definitely at least 6 packs. Okay, we've got a Kerry Wood. Doug. Man, I can't pronounce that. Mentkowicz. Barry Zito. Guess that would be his second year card. Burnett's, Manny Ramirez. Let's go again. Come on. I just want some rookies. Something. I guess they may not have it. 45 limited edition rookie cards. Fred McGriff. Bobby Hugginson, Jeff Kent, Wade Miller, Edgar Martinez. Edgar. Now let's see if my pack, this one does feel thicker than the other one. So let's see if I can go 2 for 2. Or if I'm going to be taken down to a 500 average on my guesses. We've got Mike Piazza, Andrew Jones, Todd Helton. Hey, there we go. We're going to look at the last card, Jeremy Burnitz. Got ourselves a Tony Gwynn. Jersey specialty. See that little crease in the card though? Nice card though, overall. Corners seem to be really good. Nice little Tony Gwynn though. Put that into a sleeve as well. So yeah, not bad. About halfway through. Get ourselves our second pull on that one. We're out of the box. Let's move that up. Got ourselves Rafael Palmeiro, Pat Burrell, Jim Edmonds, Sean Green, and go Frank Thomas. So that's kind of cool, you know, we got 2 for 2. I mean, I guess in the older packs it was a little bit easier to tell, you know, before they really started doing like fillers and things of that nature into cards to prevent people from feeling all the packs, to find just the one that had the hit. Got a Neil Perez, Darren Estrada, Ben Greavy, Ryan Klesko, and Jeff Jenkins. One cool thing is they seem like they had more packs back in the day and per box. It seems like now you open a box and you're like, hey, look at that, I got 6 packs. And they cost $800. We got a Matt Lawton, Furcal, A-Rod, Pedro, and Phil Nevin. I don't see anything on these boxes about any autos. So I don't know if there's any autos in this. I mean, you would think, but maybe 01 is really kind of before they really started doing a whole lot of those. Garcia Parra. There's a CC. No MLB experience. Sad thing is you wouldn't know it unless you knew the rookie you were looking for. There's not a mark on it anywhere it says. I'm used to seeing the RC or rated rookie, something of that nature, but not on these. So I guess you just better know who your rookie class is. So yeah, got ourselves our first good rookie of CC Sabathia. We'll set that one off to the side. We've got Jose Vidro. Nice Derek Jeter. We got ourselves another future building block. Cal Ripken and Josh Towers. I guess Josh Towers didn't quite materialize as the way that they had thought. Let's go to the next. I think we got something here. Troy Klaus, Larry Walker, Jim Thome, Jimmy Rollins, and followed by a, there we go, we got a Prospective Superstars, Billy Sylvester, numbered out of 1250, 1016 out of 1250. So don't believe another one, didn't quite materialize the way that they thought. But not bad. I mean, considering we got, I guess in reality, 3 nice little pulls so far. Numbered, couple, well, one game used bat, and one jersey, Tony Gwynn jersey. It was kind of cool. Got ourselves Jason Giambi, Scott Rowland, Mark McGuire, Barry Bonds, then Tino Martinez. Good old Tito. Okay, definitely more than halfway through the box now. Carlos Delgado. Yeah, he's been around for a few. Brian Gills, Lance Berkman, Aaron Seeley, another building. Yeah, Barry Bonds and Carlos Valderrama. I do think that, me personally, I like the style of Upper Deck cards. I mean, I thought they had some of the better looking cards back in the day. They just seemed to be, I don't know. I really did. I think they did a better job than Topps. Topps just seemed to be kind of plain. But everybody has their preference, right? Got Sammy Sosa. Got Tony Clark. Jermaine Dye. Rich Arilla. Jeff Bagwell. Getting down to the nitty gritty here. Looks like we got 4 packs left. We're just going to pull that over. Okay, we've got Mike Hampton, Gary Sheffield, Kazuhiro Sasaki, Barry Larkin, Luis Gonzalez. 3 left. Got Andrew Jones, Todd Helton, Sean Green, Frank Thomas, another one. Building blocks of Jason Kendall and Jack Wilson. I see this one feels thicker too. I mean, can we pull 3 out of it? 3 jersey card or game used bat? Then there's, I think it said 1 in every 24 packs. I mean, based off their average, we should have gotten 1 out of this box. So I mean, pulling 3 would be really awesome. But let's see. Got Rafael Palmeiro, Ben Greavy, Ryan Klesko. Look at that, we do. Another Sasaki. Only issue is, look at that corner. That corner is bent. That's a shame. I don't know if you guys can see it in the light, but when the light hits it, you can see that corner is bent. It does appear to be game used, though. Team USA, Xavier Natty. Well, there's probably a better look at that corner. That stinks. But that's kind of cool. I mean, we did pull 3 out of the box for when it says, 1 out of 24 packs. I guess pulling 3 out of 24 packs is pretty good. It looks like we got all 3 different styles as well. It said 3 unique. That's Jersey Specialist, that's Then and Now, and that's Game Used Dual Bats. So I'm going to say we did manage to get all 3. So that's kind of cool. Last pack here. Pat Burrell, Jim Edmonds, Jeff Jenkins, Pedro Martinez, and Phil Nevin. And that wraps up our 2001 Upper Deck Pros and Prospects Baseball opening. Did add that to our 1 pack to our giveaway. So this pack will go into the stack of giveaways. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, stay safe, guys, and hopefully we see you back here soon. Thank you.